Okay, looks like, gentlemen, we have a runoff. Number 4 and number 2. You guys are going to have to dance it off. You guys stick around, the rest of you. Okay. Okay. Remember, it's the judges, it's not us up here. It's the judges. Look the judges in the eye, guys. Look them in the eye. See, now they're rolling up their pants because they're serious. Uh-oh. He's rolling up his sleeves. Now his pants fell down, so he's going to roll them up again. Okay. Are you gentlemen ready? And keep your eye on the judges. They're the ones you have to impress. All right? Auf geht's. You can see the difference in technique here, right? Okay. The judges get